Are you a gaming enthusiast? Now play games and get rewarded. A revolutionary way to make money playing online mobile games. Just download this free app and start having fun while earning rewards and cash prizes. Discover the wide range of exciting and entertaining games and create an unbeatable gaming experience. Earn more than ever before without putting in extra effort. Just play your favorite mobile game on the go to get rewarded in cash prizes. With no costs, you can start earning instantly. Watch the video to the end and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Earning by playing. You can make money on the go without any investment. Enjoy a selection of exciting mobile games and get rewards just for playing. It's that simple. With free app called Skedadle. The Skedadle app lets you earn free money playing games on your phone whilst traveling sustainably. This app is the perfect way to make some extra income by playing featured games. All the games available are not only simple and easy to understand but suitable for all levels of skills, so even if you're not a gamer, you can still enjoy a good game. To earn rewards from playing featured games with Skedadle, you have to be on the move and your location will be tracked. Staying still is not an option if you want to make money with gaming. Commuting or taking part in ride-sharing are the only viable options here, as otherwise there would be no earnings. When you open the app for the first time, you must enable it to detect your location. After that, simply select a game that interests you and enjoy it while traveling in a train, bus, or cab. Whether you excel or not at playing the game, your earnings will remain unaffected. You'll be able to gain the same rewards regardless of your performance. Skedadle incentivizes users by offering a lucrative referral program. This allows you to get paid for recommending the platform to your friends and family. Your earnings will be credited to your account balance as soon as you finish the game. You can then conveniently transfer them to any bank account of your choosing. What are you waiting for? Download Skedadle app and start earning rewards right away. Get access to a wide range of engaging mobile games that challenge your skills and keep you entertained for hours. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make money while having fun. Download the Skedadle app now. In the end, if you like this video and found it helpful, please hit thumbs up, comment saying, "I like it," and share it. Subscribe and turn on the notifications bell for more videos like this.